These are general financial principles that will allow you to always build capital and never lose it. 1. Love money. Money is not evil, not hard, not inaccessible. Money is good, easy, and affordable. If you love money, money loves you. It's all positive energy. With another attitude, long-term cooperation is impossible. If you don't love money, money doesn't love you. 2. Keep a capital table and record income and expenses. It is important to accurately record both income and expenses in order to have a clear understanding of your financial performance. This can be done through the use of financial software or by manually maintaining financial records. Accurate record keeping allows you to track your financial performance over time, identify areas where it is generating the most income and where it is incurring the most expenses, and make informed decisions about how to allocate resources in order to improve profitability. 3. Don't lend or borrow. Maintain complete financial freedom, both in business and in your personal life. Any loan is life on loan. And if you give to someone, this is a strained relationship, negative income with an unknown return period, and generally negative energy. In general, do not be indebted to anyone and let no one owe you. 4. Your bad capital should not exceed 10% of your total capital. Bad capital is money spent on material things for comfort and pleasant feelings, such as luxury watches, cars, jewelry, expensive items. 5. Give at least 5% to charity. Make a general table and enter in it from 5% to 100% of monthly earnings in different categories. When someone needs help, see how much money is left in which category, and allocate money to help according to this data. Unlike debt, this is positive energy. 6. Always have an untouchable supply. These are cash dollars so that there are no rainy days and unforeseen circumstances. That's how it works. The presence of a reserve is the absence of worries and the presence of calmness, and the absence of worries is the absence of negative energy, which attracts dark days into your life. 7. Never count on future profits or count on financial assistance. If you don't have money in your pocket yet, then it's not your money. All the promised profitability in the future is not your money in the present, so you cannot plan anything on it. 8. Do not neglect small earnings. Do not miss the small earnings that accompany your activities and do not contradict your principles. For example, affiliate programs from exchanges, brokers, and YouTube. In the long run, they bring in a lot of income. At the beginning, they bring practically nothing, but if you do not give up this business, then with a large base, incomes become more tangible. 9. Live within your means, but don't limit yourself to acceptable comfort. Enjoy the benefits of money, but don't buy what you can't afford. If you can afford business class on a plane, take it. You should always have double the value of the item you would like to purchase. For example, if you do not have free money for 2 cars, the car is not for you. 10. Constantly improve your financial skills. Constantly invest in yourself. Attend seminars, business forums, meetings with billionaires. 11. Listen to the advice of people who live richer than you. Do not envy such people, but learn from them. 12. Always carry $100 plus cash in your wallet. Enjoy carrying money in your pocket. Let this create moral comfort for you and one of the laws of attraction. Cash gives the feeling that you are always with the money. 13. Love to talk about money. Ask people how much they earn, so you can recognize a person. Because mostly poor people who pretend to be rich and dishonest in business are afraid to talk openly about money. 14. Do not sell yourself for money and do not advertise what is contrary to your principles and which you yourself do not use. It is best not to engage in direct advertising at all, but to show only those services that you use yourself. This is the best advertisement. 15. Earn only what you love and what is interesting. Don't waste your life to earn a living. If there is an option to earn a couple of $1,000s with a 99% probability, but you won't like it and will greatly distract you from your favorite things, then give up such earnings. If you always do what you love, it is very difficult to burn out. Plus, you will always have plenty of energy.